What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, class will be in session today, so do me a favor and take some notes. Also, guys, I got a jam-packed video for you all, so please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I'm kicking it off with my favorite portion of every video, which is loving on you guys. And this one comes from my guy, Naveen. Naveen, if you see this, coach want to say major salute. He said, Money Team weekly subscription and my win so far. Hi, coach. I am Naveen, and I recently started investing in options starting December. And once I found your channel on YouTube, I have been learning all the things that you have been teaching and implementing them at a small scale with my portfolio. I have been waiting to hit a home run and share my story with you, and today I hit a home run with SMCI call option for 147%. This boy hit it out the park. Naveen, if you see this, coach want to say major salute. But that wasn't the only thing. I made a decent profit, around 40%, on a few of my other plays as well, and I have attached the screenshots of my January 6 trades. These wins, even though they are small, I am seeing consistency in them, and I'm sticking to my rule of sell when I'm up 40% or sell when I'm down 20%. Guys, do you hear this? Do you hear this? He is changing the game for you guys. This is one thing I'm going to pound the table on even more. Where to lock in your profits. I love this rule of thumb. He said, this lesson has been life-changing for me, and I'm aiming to keep doing this consistently. Thanks for all your lessons, coach, and I dedicate all my option wins to you. I wanted to join the Money Team with my profits for options, and the day has finally arrived for me. So here I am, excited to join the Money Team, the weekly subscription. Listen, man, job well done. Guys, a quick lesson. You have to take your take profit zone is 20 to 40%. If you are up 20 to 40% on your plays, that is the area you can take profit. This has nothing to do with your expiration date. Okay, you need to lock in profits along the journey and let your runners run. So if you have 5 contracts, you sell 3 when you're up 20 or 40%, and you let the other 2 run if they're going to go up 100% or more. Okay, let me know if that's understood. And then to the downside, you need to set your stop loss. Always manage your risk. That's how you protect your capital. Okay, you can set that as a dollar limit amount. Like, so for instance, I have a $2,000 threshold. When I'm down $2,000, I cut my loss. Okay, some people, you can choose to do 20%, 10%, 5%, whatever you're comfortable with the amount of contracts you're trading with. Okay, make a note of all of that information, guys. I got a jam-packed video, so let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I told you class will be in session today, and we are going to do a lesson on the bottom third and the top third. I want you need to know both of these because they're life-changing. Okay, write these words down. Write this lesson down. I'm a teacher today. I told you the money is in the charts, and if you learn to read them, you can learn to do some phenomenal stuff. Okay, so the bottom third always happens after a big candle. So assume this was a big red candle. Let's go ahead and color this red. Okay, all right, we're gonna say that was a big red candle that just came. We got the big wick, and then the bottom third is here. Okay, this is the 33% down here. Remember I taught you guys 50%. Okay, you got 50% there. I want to clean that up so you guys don't think that says 500. 50%. Okay. But the bottom third is this, guys. When you have a stock doing this right here, okay, if it stays on the lower end of the bottom third, it is eventually, guys, no matter what it do, it can have a big wick and all of that. It can wick down, it can wick down, it can wick up, it can do all of these moves, okay? But if it closes and it looks like this, and it remains at the bottom third, you are going to get a move down, okay? The next move is going to be down, all right? And so here's an example right here for you guys, okay? Check out this. The stock dropped. Boom. Okay. Then, no matter what it did, look at this. This green candle, this red candle, even this big wick right here, all was pump fake. All this was telling us was, like on Tesla today, that this stock was going to go down. Okay, and look where we were at. If you look here, okay, boom. If you look at the bottom third, it couldn't get past it. Now this works for the 50% mark too. But if you can't get above the bottom third, it don't matter about the wick or anything. Look at this. The next move is going to be down, down, down. Okay, and it's just going to lead you to that. All right. Now check this out. The same is true if we have the stock to the upside. Okay, this is the top third. Let's go ahead and make sure you guys see this, because everything I teach you is universal. Okay, if you see it on any stock you trade and or on anything you are doing, you know, I want you to know that coach lessons are tried and true. I can do this wherever I'm at. Okay, and that's 50%. So for example, let's look here. Okay, just to make sure you guys see this. Look at this green candle. When the stock got to the bottom third, you see that wick? Anytime it didn't come back below 33% of the candle, it would have worked if it was 50% too. Okay. Anytime it didn't come back down there, we knew it was going up. It was going up, boom, and then it went all the way up here to a gap fill. Okay, so my point being is that it works in both directions. Look at here. Okay, do you see these two candles? How none of them came back below 33%? Do you see that right here? Okay, we knew this move was going to the upside, so you can be buying here or here as your entry for these life-changing moves right there. Okay, now listen guys, coach just wanted to put that on you to make sure that you see and know, and you add this to your lessons from coach. Okay, I'm one of those ones, guys, that will give you life-changing information. I told you I became one of the best in the game because I understand the money is in the charts. It don't matter nothing. It could be a red day or a green day. It can be a red year or a green year. You can make 100K and beyond. Okay, if you see what the charts are doing, everything happens off a big green or red candle. So once you see a boom boom candle, okay, once you see one of those power bars emerge, then you start looking to see if it got back to 33% or 50%. That's how you can know if a play is going to go back to the upside or not. Okay, it has to close there. I'm not talking about a wick. They'll fake you guys out. Don't fall for the pump fakes, okay? But these are the lessons that can change your life when you see them and you got the discipline to trade them, okay? These leads to huge wins and gains, but more importantly, consistency in your trades, all right? So today, we had a lot of weakness. In the SPY, I could have taught you this same lesson. On the QQQ, I could have taught you this same lesson. And I chose Tesla. Okay, but go look at any chart, but you can start with those three I just gave you, okay? The market is in a range. If you're in the Discord, you know this. I tell you this every morning. This is why we've been crushing it in the Discord, okay? If the SPY, for example, can't get above 598 and 600, it's going to come down. Today, let me know what it did, guys. I got all the screenshots from everybody blowing me up, man. I crushed Tesla puts. I crushed SPY puts because it didn't get above 600. So what did coach tell you in Discord? If it don't get above 600, it's coming down to 595. and then 592. Okay, and then guess what? It's going to go to 588, and then 585, and then guys, it's going to eventually make its way to 575 if these same exact patterns show itself in the charts, in the candles. Okay, that's what it's all about. So you're not guessing if you're around here. Okay, if you find yourself guessing, that's not Coach's teachings. If you find yourself gambling, that's not Coach's teaching. Okay, what I'm trying to do is teach you guys a skill that can help you lead the corporate plantation. More importantly, I'm trying to teach you guys a skill that can change your life. If you learn this, you can then go teach it to your son or daughter. If you learn this, you can use it to make as much money as you desire to in a given week, in a given month, in a given year. Okay, guys, I teach technical analysis and risk management. That's all you getting around here, and it will help you make your first 100K if you learn to follow the steps. All right, listen, man, around here we don't care about a down day. All of it is opportunity. Matter of fact, this down day, what is this, Coach? Why did the market crash today? This down day is in preparation for the inauguration. Okay, President Trump takes office very soon, week and a half, give or take. Okay, they need to get in position so we can have some kind of run up, some kind of euphoric run up into his time and his moment. Okay, but just like Nvidia, buy the rumor, sell the news. It'll go down for a couple days, it'll run up. Okay, it'll run up, and then after all the excitement is over with, it'll sell back down. Let me know if that's understood, guys. Watch out for these traps. Watch out for these false breakouts. Watch out for these false breakdowns. Manage your risk. See profit, take profit. Don't let a green play go red. Okay, if you were up on Nvidia yesterday and into this morning before they crashed it, you got to lock in some profits, and you should be locking it in when you were up 60-70% yesterday and today, and then rebuying, rinse and repeat, rebuying it today at these low levels in a 140. And if we go lower, we doing like this. If your face is turned up, you going about this wrong. Okay, you should be getting excited. You sell when it was up yesterday or this morning at 154. It's now back to 140. If it come to 135, 130, if any come back in that range, you buy it. Now they show you the levels. It's going back to 150, 152, 154. Guess what? En route to 160. Once you get to 160, that opens the door for 180. Learn this, guys, and quit getting caught up in the day-to-day traps. Okay, listen, guys, this can change your life, but we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.